Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning. Today we are going to learn subtract and match. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to find the difference between the single digit numbers. First, let's have a look at the definition of subtraction. Subtraction means taking something away from a group or a number of things, that's taking the smaller number of objects from the larger group. Now let's have a look at the sign of subtraction, how it looks. The sign of subtraction is called the minus sign and it looks something like this. Let's have a look at some of the examples to understand subtraction in an interactive way. We have few apples. I want you to count along with me as I am going to place the apples on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is Ida. She loves the apple. So she eats 3 apples from this. 1, 2, 3. Now, can you guess how many apples are left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Your answer is right. So, from 8 apples, if Ida eats 3 apples, left out is? Well done, 5. Now let's have a look at another example. There are few butterflies. Count along with me as I place the butterflies on board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 butterflies on the bushes. This is Mr. Frog. He loves to eat butterflies. And now Mr. Frog eats few butterflies out of this. Let's see how many butterflies does he eat. 1, 2. Oh, Mr. Frog ate 2 butterflies. Now, let's see how many butterflies are left out. We had 6 butterflies. Out of that, Mr. Frog ate 2 butterflies. So, I'm going to give you 3 choices. Can you guess what is the right answer? To find out how many left out, you can count the butterflies which are left out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer is? Well done. Answer is 4. Excellent. Now let's move to another sum. This is for you. This is Mr. Bear. Oh my God, he looks so scary. And now there you can see 2 more rabbits playing in the garden. Wow, they are so cute. And Mr. Bear, he loves to eat rabbits. He ate both the rabbits. So, can you guess what is the right answer? There were 2 rabbits and Mr. Bear ate both the rabbits. So 2 minus 2 is? Can you guess the answer? Well done. The answer is 0. So there are no more rabbits left out because Mr. Bear ate all the rabbits. Let's have a look at another example. This is your favorite ones. These are lollipops. Yeah. So let's count first how many lollipops are there. Well done. There are 5 lollipops. This is Lily. Lily loves lollipops. And now she eats 1. Can you guess how many lollipops are left out there? I'm going to give you 3 choices. Guess the right one. 5 minus 1 is, well done. So there are 4 lollipops left out. Now let's have a look at another example. Here you can see parrots. Count the parrots. How many are they? Well done. They are 4. Out of these 4 parrots, 1 flew away. Now can you guess how many are there? I will give you 3 choices. So what is 4 minus 1? Well done. 4 minus 1 is 3. So now there are 3 parrots left out. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. You can subscribe to my channel and visit our website friendforlearning.com to receive free educational videos and PPTs. Thank you and stay safe.